Okay guys, welcome back to Retro Pop Planet. This is day one of MAGfest 2022, my vlog. I'm not gonna do a lot of overlay, and this is just a sort of cut and splice, quick and dirty video. I just wanted to share my experiences with you. This is day one. I try to separate these into 10-minute blocks because that's about how much I have on each day. So hopefully you'll watch this one and then go on to the next. Or if you want, I'm also gonna produce a full length 30+ minute version, and you're free to watch that one as well. So let's get into it. Day one. So I just pulled into the Mariner garage here at National Harbor, and I'm about ready to go into the Gaylord and see if I can get my badge. Yeah, that's awesome. I dig it. I dig it.
to his hideout has the head of big statue. Yeah, big statue.
what she thought about that straight. I had you in the palm of my hand, and I'll wind up spanking your ass.
Okay, cool. Yeah, round two. That's how y'all done. That's pretty cool, right? Yeah.
Well, that is a wrap on day one. It's about 11:30. I've been here about 3.5 hours or so. I actually have to work a little bit tomorrow, so I'll be coming a little bit later on Friday. Registration took a little while to get through, even though it was pre-registered, probably because they're checking so many ID badges and making sure that everybody has all the credentials they need to get into the show. The layout was pretty similar to years past. I did spend a little time going through the merch area, although you can see in the clips that they actually were closing up for the night. All of the indie video game showcase stuff was all closed up already for the evening. I did walk through briefly the consoles and then also a bit of the arcade, and I went to 2 panels and actually purchased some stuff from the merch area. I can't wait to get back there tomorrow because it seems like there's some really cool vendors selling some really interesting art this year, and I love supporting the art vendors. So we're actually expecting another snowstorm tonight, so that's why I'm getting out of here now. I want to get on the road before the snow falls. Hopefully it's not too bad tomorrow, and we'll see. I'll see you in the next episode. Hey, what's up, guys? Hope you liked that video. If you did, please like, comment, subscribe. If you want to see the long play video, I'm leaving a link after the end of the video.